Hi, this is Carly from thatlowcarblife.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite restaurant-style keto salsa. This is so good, it tastes so fresh, and you're never going to guess how easy it is. Start by adding a 15-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes to a food processor, and then add in about a half a cup of diced onion. Next, add in some jalapeno. You can use as much or as little as you like, along with some cilantro. Add in 1 clove of minced garlic and a teaspoon of ground cumin, and then start adding in some salt. Keep in mind that whatever you're dipping might be salty, so don't add too much here. And then just squeeze in a half of a lime. You can add a little more or less depending on how you like your salsa. After that, you'll just process this until it's as smooth or as chunky as you like it. As you can see, we like ours pretty smooth. Pop it into a serving bowl and you're ready to dig in. We like to use pork rinds, or we even make our own tortilla chips out of the low-carb tortilla shells. Just brush them with a little bit of butter or oil and bake them until they're crispy. This also is really good with sliced cucumbers or the mini bell peppers. Either way, it's delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it. For more recipes, visit thatlowcarblife.com.